Wow, the snow's really coming down now. This is awesome. This is why this is the greatest place in the world. Hey, Leonardo, are you ready for the snow?
What?
Hey, buddy. You ready for snow?
We got an extra part yesterday.
Are you serious?
This.
That's
I got this.
awesome.
I got a shotgun.
Oh, Leonardo, like you happy for the snow? You wanted your shorts on today, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
You don't know, we're in Colorado right now.
Yeah, I would just bring a dog.
What is he, Eric?
I would just bring a dog.
Really? You want to bring a dog in here?
Yeah, I would just buy a doggy.
Hi, we're in Aspen, Colorado. One of our favorite places in the world. Hey, look here. Who's this?
This is how we rock. Hey, hey, hey. This is how we rock. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. This is how we rock. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. This is how we rock. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. This is how we rock.
Hey, guys. Hi. Guys, be careful because you can fall. Eric. All right. All right, this looks like a dangerous spot for kids, huh? Wow, look here, guys. Be careful. What'd you find? Fine cone, huh?
Oh, little blonde head. Look, it's like yellow cheese.
Wow.
Yeah, you should just do it.
Well, it's pretty easy to see why we love it here, right, guys? Huh? On the Ranger? Okay. Whoa.
I love this place, don't you guys?
I do. What's he got? Eric, where are you going?
Guys!
What's he got?
Whoa! Yay! You did it! This is one of the reasons why we love Colorado. This is one of the reasons we like Colorado. Daddy, we've been here before.
Huh?
We've been here before.
We've been here before, huh?
Have you guys ever watched Spirit? I like it.
Oh.
This is the best day I can watch. I
Everybody,
like Spirit.
Let's see. Tell
I like
everybody who's Spirit. Who's Spirit?
this horse.
What's the deal with Spirit? Who's Spirit?
This one.
Yeah, but tell me the story.
It's a movie called Spirit on Netflix, and it's this horsey. Spirit is the boy horse, but he's the bravest horse.
Guys.
So if you guys haven't watched it, you have to watch it because I like it.
Little wolf. He's all running away. Whoopie-doo. Leonardo. Hi. Jeez, you love the
guys.
peace sign, don't you? Hi, cutie. Oh, he's giving me the peace sign. He thinks it's a picture.
So we're heading up. We're heading up to a place called Independence Pass, and we're just before the snowstorm. So it should start snowing any minute now. It should be fun. All right, our snow is just starting to fall. Hope you can see that. This is awesome. Wow, the snow's really coming down now. This is awesome. This is why this is the greatest place in the world. Now this is an awesome snowstorm. Buddy, what do you think of this snow? Eric, what do you think of this snow? Do you like it? Come here, talk to me. What do you think of the snow? Do you like it?
Awesome!
It's awesome.
We play snow fight.
And play snow fight. Come here, Serena.
Okay, we have the gloves on. Let's play
Wow.
snowball.
Isn't this awesome? This is so cool. What you guys doing over here? Check it out, huh?
It's so
It's-
cool. Whoa, I put it in the water and it melted. I've never done this before. I like this so much. It's right. Let's do.
Eric, what did you say about today?
It's Christmas.
Dennis. Hey, buddy. What do you think? That's awesome.
How mom is it?
Yeah? Okay. Okay, guys. Where's Mom at? Let's find out where Mom is. Is Mom coming? Where's she at? Let's see. Here she comes. Hey, guys. Leonardo, what do you think of this snow? Huh? Awesome, huh?
We're in the ocean. Wait, what happened? No.
Ah.
You guys having a snow fight. Snowball fight?
Wow. What you got, huh? You guys, come on, this way, this way. Whoa! Good one, turkey.
I'm not a turkey.
Yeah, you are.
Daddy, wait! Daddy, go back.
Huh? Yeah?
I know how to do something cool.
Awesome, guys. Hi, Eric. How you doing?
Good.
We don't want to slip in that water. Come over this way. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Head over that way. Yeah.
But there's more water in the
Yeah, don't step on the water. Come this way. Watch out, this water here. You'll slip in it right there, see? Did your foot get wet?
No.
Let me know when your feet get wet, because it's going to be cold, guys. Check that out, guys. Whoa, I just sunk in the water.
Whoa, Daddy.
Okay, Eric.
Daddy.
Okay,
This water is like you step in there and you're gone.
yeah. You know it's cold when there's little ice on top of that water, huh? Hey, Dennis. We have someone else joining us. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Come here. Come here. What do you think of the snow? Isn't it awesome? Huh? You like it?